Good morning, everybody. Bro, I'm sick as. How we doing? How we doing? Whew. Good morning, everybody. Morning to the dark soul assassin, brother Kip. What's up, brother? Tito, Mace, Critter, Themi, and Doc Wonder. Sorry if I am a bit slow today. Fuck, I got the flu. So after this, I'm gonna go to the gym and try and sweat it out. But it is staining day today. What's staining day? So we're gonna be linseeding this today. Morning at Fishing Crazy on YouTube, and then after that we got Mason. I've heard they're mostly okay to get a morning inspired tattoo sleeve as long as it's not because someone else's, and also getting it from a trusted tāmoko artist. I would say best place to get it would be here in Aotearoa. Morning fair, the indigenous to basically the dead centre of North America. It's just not. I don't want to disrespect your culture. No, you're all good, Mason. Yeah, the main thing would be to learn about it, and probably come here, brother. Yeah, because this is where all the tāmoko artists are. Yeah. Well, it's pretty chilly this morning, my bro. Sure, it'll be quite early in Queensland, eh? Oh, so this is all we're up to. We are staining all of this today. And also we've got about 6 new emotes on Twitch now too. Oh, it's not that cold. It's just my body's all over the place because yeah, I'm sick. Otto, just refresh it. Refresh. Can anyone hear me on Twitch? I'm not even sure. Jesus, our channel having problems already.
Filled with apple. Filled with fun.
Already? But yeah, well, we'll see how we go. I don't know if I can like pull out the full 3 hours today, but I'll do my best. Sure, is it all good? Hey, what's up, Ezra? Cheer, my bro. You caught us on a bit of a special day today because we're staining this. We're staining this hoi today. Coming through loud and clear. Love to see it. Yeah, so we'll be staining this bad boy today. So that's. I should really Photoshop Training Day, Denzel Washington movie, and put my face in just instead of training, just put like Staining Day. That can be my poster every time we do a staining stream. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Thank you very much to Ked for the 46 months. Holy guacamole. I can hear you just fine. Oh, kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, it might have just been a little hiccup. Thank you very much, brother Ked. How are you? Alright. So before we stain today, first thing I want to do is look over it one more time. We'll look over the whole carving one more time, and then after that, when I'm happy with where it's at, then we'll stain it. But I do want to stain it today because it's a good day. Yeah, Mason, there'll be a slight delay. Let's get into it, eh? Let's not muck around. Whew. So, the next piece of timber that I'll be cutting, I had some bad news about it. Well, it's not bad, but it's a really prized hardwood, and I do not really want to use it to carve like what I have to, but I'm gonna have to anyway. When I cut into it yesterday and I found out what it was, I was like, fuck. Puriri is not a hardwood you come across all the time. But I was thinking last night for the subathon, for like my 4-year anniversary, I'm thinking, trim looks fresh. Oh, but I just cut it off. I was thinking, instead of, having giveaways like keyboards and whatnot, I've decided I'm going to carve 3 taonga, so 3 pendants, and we're gonna give those away. I feel like those will be more genuine to give away, in my opinion, if we gave away some carvings instead. Morena. So I'll probably carve a tiki, a pika pika. A pika pika is like it's inspired by a fruit bat, but you'll mainly find them in wharenui. Yeah, I'm thinking that stuttery a bit. Yeah, it seems like it's my frames are a bit thing, eh? Let me know if it does some more and I'll refresh the whole thing. Yeah, I was having some difficulty connecting to the internet this morning. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing like handcrafted giveaways instead of, gift card stuff and codes and whatnot. It's not you switch. Oh, either way, if it's not, bothering anybody, I won't turn it off. I think that's good. Yo, Zell! Kia ora no, Zell. Thank you for the 6 months as a tier 3. Sending out. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much, bro. Yeah, not ideal getting sick. I hate being sick in general. Fuck, it sucks. It definitely is not the best feeling, I would say. Thank you very much for the tier 3 for 6 months. Remember, feel free to cancel your tier 3 at any time, because those are very expensive. Here we go. But yeah, so there's some new emotes there for you guys to use. Got them finished last night. The bro finished them last night. Sent them through.
Wednesday alert. Today's the day more New Zealanders lose their wing mirrors. Yep, today wing mirrors take on the world and polls.
Not by putting ads on the cover, Haka. Go on, that's cringe. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Oh, I'm gonna do that, sorry. I've decided to do that instead of, you know, giving away like stuff. I feel like that would be much better. Alright, sorry. Okay, let's get it underway. So if I'm a bit slow, I do apologise. It's because yeah. Coming down with the flu. But I'll try not to be too slow. I might be yeah, a bit slow with keeping up with everyone. So I'm going to go to the gym and do some cardio after this. Try and sweat it out. Try and sweat it out, whānau. But how are you today, TikTok? Kei te pai. Hello from Cape Town. Kia ora. What's the time in Cape Town? Did anyone watch the Nintendo Direct? Is it worth? How long does it take to create one of these? It all depends, brother. So off stream, completing a piece can be relatively quick. But at the same time, it's a bit boring too because you've got no one to talk to. I always like to have a good yarn along the way. With those giveaways that I'm going to do for the subathon, guys, the subathon's most likely going to start out here. I want to start on Whakairo first and finish inside. I would have been open to doing a whole subathon whilst carving, as destroyed as my mind would get. But yeah, we don't have a shed for that type of stuff, so we can't do it. But yeah, as I mentioned, instead of like buying like keyboards and whatnot, or like stuff to give away, I will be carving a few things to give away instead. I feel like genuinely there would be a lot better than, you know, giving away, for example, a Corsair or something. Wait, Marvel vs. Capcom got announced? Like the old school one? Holy shit. Actual. Bro, Maximilian Dude was probably creaming in his undies, eh? Oh, shit. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok. Kia ora, kia ora. I'm trying to make this tripod go down a bit more. Here we are, no. There we go. Just opening up these eye sockets for later. Hey. Hello from Laredo, Texas. Oh, kia ora. Man, it's a nice vibe over here. I appreciate them, my brother. Spam some of the new emote subs. I'm starting to see them. Hey, what's up, brother? Randy Creamer. Why did I sound like Big X the plug right there? Thank you for the 36 months, my bro. It's a whole bundle, 2 miles, children of Adam. Oh, true. Damn. God, I'm very wishing you the peace and happiness from Ireland. Hey, cheers, my brother. Wish me luck whilst I have the battle of my life once again. Man flu. If any lady had man flu, straight ICU. Hey, brothers. Straight ICU for the sisters. Kia ora, Brooks. Wedding was awesome. Hey, why are you gifting me subs when you just got married? You bloody egg. First of all, congratulations, brother Mars, for getting married. I hope it was amazing, brother. I hope everything went well. And it was a day for you to remember for the rest of your life. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb. Honestly, you did not have to give that because you just finished your wedding. Can we get some love in the chat for Mars Apollo on Twitch, who just got married? Welcome to the club, my brother. Thank you very much, oh dear. Hope it was a beautiful day, my bro. What's this new Zelda as well? I heard there's a new Zelda. I saw everyone on Twitter talking about it. Worth a look at? Stay blessed. You stay blessed too, brother. Yeah, there's a new Zelda coming here where the protagonist is oh, really? True. Give me some bars, box. Hey. I just scratched on my crotch and I pulled out a watch. No. You're the only guy I turn ad blocker off for. Oh, cheers, brother. I definitely know because, you know, I'm a viewer as well of streams. Ads can be really annoying, but one thing I gotta ask, have ads been like extra loud for you guys lately? Like they've been pretty loud for me. And it's a work of art. Thank you. So if you must know, so this design here is called Taratara Akai. So all of it basically. The only reason why I decided to do things a little different on either side is just cause, to be honest. So normally this is the flow I would do for Taratara Akai. This here, but I decided to add this one in too. So this is called Rauponga on this side. The flow itself. So Rauponga imitates the growth patterns of the fern. Pretty much. Which is like one of our symbols for our country and whatnot. So that's what it represents. Oh! Well, fuck, there goes that YouTube VOD. Why do they have ads on Kapahaka? Oh, that YouTube VOD is cooked. You want to know something that's real cringe as well? So, one of the haka groups I played yesterday, I got a warning. I got a warning for playing one of the kapahaka groups for my YouTube VOD. And I'll be honest, I was quite surprised by it, eh? So I couldn't monetize the VOD or anything. Yo, Box Boy! Deadpool barged into the workshop. I wish you know what's sad about that? I don't even have a workshop. Yo, Box Boy, thank you for the 46 months as a tier 3, my brother. Always a pleasure watching you. Hey, appreciate that, my bro. Caught us on a good day today too. It's staining day today. I'm gonna dare you right now. Put the bag down. So we got staining day today, and then I'll try and cut out the next piece of my free time. Just a bit gutted though, because it's puriri, the timber that my auntie gave for this next commission. I was like, oh, puriri's better for weapons. Yeah, so that big slab that I showed you guys, it's a timber called puriri, and it's a hard timber I don't come across much. And I was like, can I just have this one and you get another one? How much to carve King Varian Rin? I don't carve King Varian Rin. I just carve molding stuff. And you'll catch me carving Thrall before him, if it ever came to it. Nah, sorry brother, I just do traditional moldy wood carving, my bro. Oh, hold on. I can carve Varian Rin. Ladies and gentlemen, here is a carving of Varian Rin. at the beginning of the Legion expansion. How you feeling, brother? Thought I seen the message. Yeah, my bro, I'm a bit sick today, but I'll try and power through it. Clip that so I can put it on the TikTok. Is it lagging or is it up? It could be my end as well. It seems like my internet's playing up today, which is not very good. Alright, I better go and get the stuff soon. I feel like we've cleaned all we need to. Alright, who's ready? Who's ready? So, what we're gonna do is do like mix 2 coats of linseed. Well, we'll do 1 for now. We might do the whole thing actually. We might do the whole thing. So do you all want to stay relatively close or you want to be up a bit? What do you want to do? You ever use oils with scent? My degenerate mind is thinking of other oils. Stating used to be some wild nights. How do you make these look so easy? Absolutely stunning work. Just time, brother. Just time, my bro. Dedicating myself to this art form, basically. Yeah, bro, when you said that, my degenerate mind was thinking something else. Where would you guys like to be? TikTok? Would you like to be up a bit or stay right here? How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12. 12 years old, my brother. Oh, that was sore on the legs. If no one talks on TikTok, then I might put these up a bit. Have a good day, brother. You too, brother. You have a good day too. Alright. No one's really saying anything on TikTok, so I might put you up a little bit there. This is the only brush I got, so I'll just use this one. Hold on, check. Alright. Alright, I got some stuff. Alright. Would you ever like to be a part of a support night? It would just depend on the timing, my bro. That's the hard part with me, is just with the kids and everything. Cause I don't have my own office. Yeah, I'd be open to it. It's just the timing. Yeah, my bro. I'll be honest, my bro. The more time, the better in terms of months. Like I got invited to. So if there's any Diablo players here, I got invited to the opening night in America. Because it was too short a notice, like I couldn't go. And it just so happens that it fell on the same day as my honeymoon, so that was an instant I can't. Apologies. But on the bright side, I got invited to TD Swims. So I'm gonna go watch TD Swims with my wife. Are you ready, Chet? Yeah, my manager hit me up yesterday. He goes, bro, you into TV Swims? I was like, oh, shut the front door. Yes, I am. How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12. Yeah, bro, I couldn't believe it, eh? If I can become talented, oh, brother, all that you have to do, brother, is keep going. That's all it takes. Time and dedication, really. Nothing else. Getting all those nooks and crannies. Yo, thank you, Kai. Sorry if I know I'm probably missing a lot on TikTok, but I don't know how mine. Can you say hi to me? Hello. Kei te pēhea koe. How are you? Now here's the exciting part of a staining day, chat. Watching it dry. Oh, shot. Big hands much. Yo, Petty Kings, thank you very much for the 16 months, my brother. Kia ora no, good sir, kei te pēhea koe. And H Suds, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. How I use TikTok, I've got my eyes on you now, sorry. Yes, I'll do this a couple times and I don't want to keep these here too much, it would be too boring. So we'll have to let this dry for tomorrow and probably the next day. And then I'll put the final on. The final stain. Hey, what's up, brother Custom? Cheer, my bro. It's just coming along nicely. Yeah. Staining day, my bro. Have you ever made a wooden knife? No, I haven't. I was thinking about, so I'm still working on the subathon. But I came up with the decision, instead of like doing giveaways for like computer stuff or anything like that, I'm gonna approach it differently this time and do carvings. So taonga, so a lot of like pendant mahi. So I'm gonna carve a tiki, a pika pika. A pika pika is so that takes inspiration from a fruit bat they're carving. And something else. I'll either do 3 or 4, and then we'll give those away. Yeah, I feel like, I just want to give away carving stuff more than like, V-Bucks and all that kind of shit. Something that'll last long, and genuinely have a piece of the stream with you. Could do a devil fruit for one piece? Too much of a headache. That's beautiful work. Thank you, man. So this is just the back of the pedal. I'm just applying the linseed. Yeah, so I'm gonna look into it more in the coming days. I'll look in my shed. I might have some small pieces of bloody hardwood, so that we can carve those up. Yo, what's up, TikTok? Yeah, sorry, I'm a bit sick today. So sorry if I'm not too exciting. Engari, morena. Lagging major. Oh, this is lagging. Okay. Probably because it's far away from the bloody signal. Let me see if I can fix that. Alright. Yeah, so staining day streams are relatively, they ain't long. It's more so just watching stain dry, to be honest. And yeah, having a yarn. I'm just glad it's you know, a lot of the easy stuff getting done when I just caught the flu. So I'm grateful for that. Definitely grateful for that. Yeah, so I'll probably just do the top for now. So that's a move. And eight. I haven't heard that Lightning McQueen joke in ages. Yeah, dumb move. I hate getting sick. It's very inconvenient, I would say. Thank you for the roses, guys. I won't lie. Oh, I just missed the comment. Where are we now? Beautiful work. Thank you, brother. Coasters. True. Yeah, some coasters. That's a good idea. Yeah, I think for a lot of the giveaways when it comes to the subathon that I'm going to do, I just want them all to be wood carving giveaways. So that's all we're up to. So we just pretty much got to watch this dry. Add me. No, thank you. You didn't even say hello. Don't be a robot. Say hello. Oh. Come on, you boys. It's not sitting at all. Why you brother? There we go. Anahi, anaha. There we go. doing today? I'm gonna come see you soon, man. Much love. I'm doing good, my bro. Sick, but you know, we're getting the work done. I can't. I was gonna stay in bed, but I felt bad because I wasn't around yesterday. My daughter had a doctor's appointment, but yeah. I'll be all good, bro. I'm gonna try and go to the gym after this and try and sweat it out. I just hate being sick. It's such an inconvenience in my opinion. Jeez, the sun is making it hard for me to read the comments. Bloody hell. Okay, what does that say? Oh, I can't really read Russian words. Sorry. What's up, Zilla? What's up, Bo? And Cameron? Just making sure we get in those hard to reach spots. Thank you very much, Cameron. Nice job. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm unsure like what I want to do for this Manaya. I'm wondering if I should just keep it simple for this last bit that we have to do. Maybe I should. That's awesome. Thank you, brother. Still stuttering. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. My internet's just it's not playing along today at all. If it continues for you guys, TikTok, I might just finish it there. So I'm not wasting your guys' time. Oh, jeez. We need a Brock skin and Fortnite. Nah, I don't play that enough, brother. I don't play that enough to deserve one. And I think a lot of people would get mad. How do I get one of these? My commissions are closed for now. So I've got to do one more. So I'm doing a bit of a 3-piece commission right now. This is the second one. We'll start the next one shortly or soon. Start the next one soon. Let me know if it's still stuttering. Just if it still is, I might just end it and stay on the 2 that I'm using. try. How you doing? Yeah, not too bad, my bro. Just trying to pump through. Well, I love watching you carve. Oh, cheers, brother. Thank you, my bro. That looks sick. Can you pick it up? Yeah, I can, but I'm letting it dry. When we used to do staining days back in the day, we used to play a lot of Careless Whisper. Careless Whisper when we would do this. Yeah, so after this one, we have a... I just got told IRL Haki. I just got told they wanted a Manaya, a simple one. I was like, okay. So they just wanted a simple one, and unfortunately the timber they gave me is a very good timber for making weapons. But it was the timber they gave me and I gotta use it. Yeah, so they just wanted a Manaya. Like, they didn't specify what they wanted. Just something simple. Are you from Hawaii? Nah. And after this commission, I got asked to do a commission for another streamer, but I want to draw that on stream. Love your work. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you very much to Savage Spark Plug for the 2 months, my brother. Thank you, my brother. I'm just trying to use up all the stain that I've used, you know, into the timber. And then we watch it dry. Hey, Queen, is it still lagging for you guys? Yeah, I'll try and do a lot of cardio today just to sweat this flu out. That's sick, bro. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, quality. It's all done. All we have to do with it now is just, like, watch it dry. Bye. I think a Stairmaster will fix me right up. Yeah, I think TikTok's lagging. Yeah, it is lagging more. I might actually finish the TikTok up if it's gonna do that. Because I feel like that's not fair for you guys. Yeah, people are saying my internet's not good. I'm gonna end the TikTok. sees after 8 if I don't really want to stream TikTok if it's lagging like crazy. So if you guys want, feel free to jump over to Twitch. Feel free to jump over to Twitch or YouTube. I don't know what's going on with my internet today. It's I noticed it this morning. So see you later. Feel free to jump over at any time. Copy that. Alright, I just ended the TikTok stream. What's up, Poda Sopping? Poda Sopping. Yeah, so this is what this is pretty much all we have to do today, chat, is watch Wood Drive. If you got any questions too, feel free to ask. Makes the time go by faster. How far are you up to Destiny? Still in the same spot. No one's been online to help me with it. Because Kev said just do it through Legendary. But he hasn't been on lately. Yeah, he said he'd help me do it through Legendary, but he hasn't been on lately. Hopefully. Yeah, like I was on Destiny last night, but yeah, no one was on. I'm tempted to buy the Marvel vs. Capcom pack. It's not even out yet, so I fucking decided to get the DLC. Bro, I didn't know they did that, eh? That's pretty old. No, fuck. How long ago did you start making pieces like this, and when did you start to get great? Natural for it. So I started when I was 12. I guess my uncle gave me a solid like foundation when I started. He gave me a solid foundation to work off, and like I won't lie, there was a natural knack for it there, but it wasn't good. But I've been carving here since I was 12, and now I'm almost 33. Turned 33 in a couple of months. In September. Do you remember the 21st time in September? Love is taking care of you. Oh well, let that dry. Alright. I'm now looking good. Hey, appreciate you, my bro. Have a good one, eh? And congratulations once again, brother. Nā mihi nui mo tō māre nā, my bro. Whew. E mihi ana, my bro. Whew. Yeah, so I guess all staining streams are is just, you know, leaving it there to dry pretty much. And that's all staining streams are pretty much. So sorry if it tends to get a bit boring for me. Also something I'm working on for next week. I think next week is Matariki, the Maori New Year. So nothing like letting the natural winds of the outside dry it for me. Yeah, so I just leave it there. Leave it there to dry in the wind pretty much. What's up, Zizo? How's the heat in NZ? Oh, we're still in winter. I shouldn't even have my coat off because I'm starting to get cold. Yeah. I'm gonna try and have a sweat session at the gym today. Oh. Yeah, once again, sorry if I'm a bit boring today. But yeah, I wanted to get outside and get this done and stream for you guys too. I then want to finish it off stream. But yeah, the next piece we have to do, I'll get the link for you guys. So if you want to see what our next pieces are, or next ideas, so there's the Discord there. So if you want to join the Discord, the link's in the Twitch chat. You'll see the next two ideas that I'm thinking of. I might do the simpler one, just so we can be done with it. It looks not too bad, eh? When the eyes are in, that's when it'll pop out some more. I'll have to do one more coat of it when it's dry, and then I'll do the final stain of it. It's cold in New Zealand, yeah, quite a bit. If I feel like I'm getting a bit boring, I will most likely finish up the stream. What are we at? Oh, thanks for getting us 10 out of 30 today. For the sub goal too, guys. I didn't even realise. Do you always use linseed, or does it depend on the wood? No. Oh, majority of the time I just use it. When I'm sending stuff overseas, I usually coat it in like 2 coats of linseed, let it dry, and then apply the stain. Pretty much. Oh, I'd love to go to the hot pools right now. That'll be nice. How did you get into wood carving? My uncle was the one that introduced it to me back in primary school. So that's initially when I got into it. Always a pleasure to watch your art. Thank you, man. How long have we been on for? Fuck, not even 2 hours. Hello from Spain, kia ora koutou. What do you reckon, guys? Hang out a bit more. Gap it. Bix, all you have to do, brother, is just keep going. Just invest more time into it. That's all it comes down to, really. Yeah, that's the main thing that you're learning. That's all you can do is learn. Don't doubt yourself. Just trust the process. Yeah, all you have to do is just trust the process, man. Okay, Chad, I feel like I'm getting a bit boring just standing here. Don't really want to finish this early, but I think it'll pay to. I feel like I might be wasting your guys' time. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Yeah, I'll just leave that dry on its own, and then I'll try and stream tonight. We'll try and do an art stream tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna try and go to the gym and sweat this flu out, and try and come back to you tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, I don't feel too good, but I wanna try and go to the gym and get it out. Alright, beautifuls. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try and have the slab cut out. Did you sort your iPad stuff? No, I'll look into it after the gym today. Can I ping you if I get stuck? Hey, morning Jiggy, I'm about to go. I'm sick. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up. I don't have my sorry guys. I did want to get on. This flu is just ruining the momentum we've been having over the last few days. But yeah, it's done. It's done once again. I'm just gonna leave it there to stain for a bit, then I'm gonna go to the gym. Chased them away. There's Kanakas, man. There's Kanakas a bit scary. Oh, soup. Yeah, we had bacon hot soup last night. Or stew, baby. Alright, guys. Daddy, chill. Alright, I'll see you later, eh? Be sure to go follow Jiggy too, she's in the chat. She streams art as well, I've been seeing her streaming lately. And if you don't want to click on her profile, go to my about, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see her in my recommended channels. Yeah, she's in my recommended channels as well, so yeah, have a good one. I'll see you later. I'm gonna get ready to try and sweat this cold out. But thank you very much to all those that subbed today too. Like the new subs as well. 10 new subs today. Namahi. I'll see you later. Eh?